Sixth, we have empathy mapping. So empathy mapping is a collaborative visualization tool used to articulate what we know about a specific type of user. So it typically includes sections of what the user thinks, feels, says, and does. And this process helps teams develop a deeper understanding of the user's experience and emotions, leading to a more user-centered product design and marketing strategies. Customer life cycle. So the customer life cycle refers to the progression of steps a customer goes through when considering purchasing, using, and maintaining loyalty to a product or service. So understanding this life cycle allows businesses to create targeted strategies for each stage, from acquisition and onboarding to retention and advocacy. So managing customer lifecycle effectively can lead to increased customer lifetime value and sustained business growth. Touchpoint mapping. So touchpoint mapping involves identifying all interactions a customer has with a brand, so both online and offline. These touchpoints can include website visits, social media interactions, customer service calls, in-store experiences. So mapping these touchpoints helps businesses understand the entire customer journey, identify pain points, improve the overall customer experience by ensuring consistency and quality across all interactions. Then we have behavioral segmentation. So behavioral segmentation divides customers into groups based on their behaviors, such as purchasing habits, usage frequency, and brand loyalty. So this type of segmentation allows businesses to tailor their marketing and product offerings to specific behavioral patterns, resulting in more relevant and effective campaigns. So behavioral segmentation can improve customer engagement, satisfaction, and retention by addressing the unique needs and preferences of different customer groups. Then we have psychographic profiling. So psychographic profiling segments customers based on their lifestyles, values, attitudes, and interests. So unlike demographic data, which focuses on who the customer is, psychographics delve into why they make purchasing decisions. This deeper understanding enables businesses to create more personalized and emotionally resonant marketing messages, leading to a stronger brand connection and increased customer loyalty.